Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Cosmic Spirit Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, how to fasten off your work, and be familiar with the blocked granny square. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. This blanket is going to be 4 big blocked granny squares joined together. So to begin, we need to know how to make circles that are going to turn into squares. I have a playlist with a bunch of different circle tutorials and I will have that listed down below so you can pick which tutorial you are most familiar with and you can use that one to start your squares. To start row 1, you're going to make your circle and then you're going to make 3 chains to start your square. I'm going to start with 4 chains. Then I'm going to work 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from my hook for my first side. So you're going to have a circle and 3 chains. You're then going to work 2 double crochet into your circle for your first side. Now I'm going to make my first corner, make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Next side, make 3 double crochet into your circle. Next corner, 1, 2, and 3 chains. We're going to make our third side, work 3 double crochet into your circle. Make 3 chains for our next corner. Then we're ready to make our last side, 3 double crochet into our circle. And then chain 3 for our last corner. You're going to slip stitch into the chains that you made at the beginning of this row to complete row 1. You're going to want 4 sides and 4 corners. So for any new row going forward, you're going to be flipping your square to the other side to work that new row. In doing this, it's going to keep the rows of your square straight. So for row 1, we were looking at the front of our square when we made this row. For row 2, you're going to flip your work where you're looking at the back of your square to make row 2. For row 2, you're going to bring in your new color. You're going to attach your yarn to any previous corner space and you're going to make 4 chains. These 4 chains count as a single crochet and then 3 chains. Make a single crochet into this same corner space. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. With these 3 chains, we are going to skip 3 stitches. So we're moving over to this next corner space. Make a single crochet into that corner, then 3 chains, and a single crochet all together in that corner. So same thing, make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. With these 3 chains, we're going to skip 3 stitches or 3 double crochet. Moving over to this corner, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together into this corner. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, skip 3 stitches or 3 double crochet. Into this next corner, single crochet, chain 3, and then single crochet all together in that corner. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. With these 3 chains, we're going to skip over our last block of 3 double crochet. So we've made it to the beginning of our row where we were making these chains. You're going to slip stitch into these chains to complete row 2. Now again, you're going to fasten off your work. You will do this for every row. It's going to keep your square straight going forward. To start row 3, I have turned or flipped my square, so we are looking at the front of my square again. You're going to bring in your new color or yarn, and you're going to attach it to any previous corner space. You're going to make 3 chains. These 3 chains do count as a double crochet. So into our corner space, we're going to make 2 double crochet. So that's technically going to be 3 with these chains. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then make 3 double crochet into this same corner space that we were working into. So all together that's going to be 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet all together in this corner space. And that's how our corners are going to be going forward. We're now going to be working on our first side. You're going to skip any previous stitch. We're going to be working into previous chain 3 spaces. You're going to make 3 double crochet into each side space across. Right now we have 1 space of chain 3, but as our square gets bigger, we're going to have more. So right now we're only going to work 3 double crochet into this chain 3. But if you had more, you would work 3 double crochet into each chain 3 space across until you reached your next corner. So we're at our next corner. You're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet into that corner. Same thing for our next side, 3 double crochet into any chain 3 space across. Right now we only have the 1, so we're going to work 3 double crochet into that 1. And now we're going to start repeating this around. So for our corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Each side space is going to be 3 double crochet. So I'm going to repeat that around until I get back to the beginning of my row. So I've reached the beginning of my row where we first made these chains. You're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, I have flipped or turned my square again. We are looking at the back side of my square now. You're going to bring in your new color or yarn and you're going to attach it to any previous corner space and make 4 chains. These 4 chains count as 1 single crochet and 3 chains. Make 1 single crochet into this same corner space. Now on our sides, we're going to be making 3 chains to skip any previous block of 3 double crochet. So make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip this first block of 3 double crochet into this space between stitches. You're going to make a single crochet. 1, 2, and 3 chains to skip our next block of 3. Make a single crochet into this space between stitches. Now right now we only have these 2 spaces, but going forward as our square gets bigger, you'll have more stitches to skip and more single crochet to make in between them. So 1, 2, 3 chains to skip over this next block of 3 double crochet into our corner, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all together. Now on our next side, chain 3, skip 3 double crochet, make a single crochet between stitches, chain 3, skip 3 double crochet, make a single crochet between stitches, chain 3, skip 3 double crochet, jump to this corner right here, make a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet for our corner. Now you're going to start repeating things for each side chain 3, skip 3, make a single crochet between them, and each corner single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. So I'm going to continue on with the rest of my square, and I'll come back when I get near the beginning of my row. So I've reached the beginning of my row where we first made these starting chains. You're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for how big you want your square. You would then make 3 more squares for a total of 4 that you will join together to make your blanket. I'm going to continue on and finish my square and then make my other 3, and I will come back when I have all 4 of my squares made. So I have my 4 squares made now. Here's how they are looking. They're each going to have 24 rows once I finish them. I still need to join them together. I'm going to join them together using the join as you go method. I'm going to adapt this row and join them together on all of them using this row. I can have my join as you go method listed down below. And then once my squares are all joined together, the blanket is going to measure about 50 inches after that. So now I'm going to go ahead and get these squares joined together. And I will come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket turned out once I joined all my squares. I ended up adapting row 4 using the join as you go method to join all of my squares together. And that is going to be how to make my Cosmic Spirit Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.